Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the home screen layout on the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Home Screen Layout and wait for the results to appear. This will bring up relevant options related to your home screen settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Home Screen Layout option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the Home Screen Layout option again. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the two layout options, Home and App screens. This layout includes both the home screen and an apps screen where all your installed apps are stored. Home screen only. This layout places all your apps directly on the home screen without a separate app screen. Choose your preferred option and tap Apply to save the changes. Your home screen layout will update instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.